Check the scene. Scene is clear.
Scene is clear.
Hey, hey, hey.
Hey,
baby.
Are you okay?
No response.
No response.
Ilan ba maghihihi? Ilang beses? Again. Support the head, Mary Jane.
Hey,
Baby.
Are you okay?
Baby. No response.
2 times lagi. Again.
Hey, Are you
Baby.
okay?
Baby.
Are you
Baby.
okay? No response.
No response. Hey you.
Hey, you.
Wearing a yellow shirt.
Call 1998. Get the AAD and come back.
One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Saan ang carotid pulse? Ang chin lift? Again, count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No pulse, no breathing.
Do CPR.
1, 2,
Stop. Support the head. Use your other arm, okay? And push.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1.
Head tilt. Chin lift. Stop. Use the mask. Kapag may mask ka, ganito ang itsura, Jane.
Yeah.
Tapos i-close mo nga, i-seal mo nga. Ganito, oh. Yun. Sa baby, it's the reverse. Yung apex ang nasa baba. Baliktarin mo nga yan. Okay, parang ganyan yung baby. Okay? Pero there's actually for baby na CPR mask, mas maliit siya. Okay, balik tayo doon, Arlene. And seal. And head tilt, chin lift, ikaw. Ayan, si baby, neutral. And ikaw, saan yung bibig mo?
Sa, nose and mouth.
Okay, good. Then, blow. Okay, continue CPR. Support the head, Jane.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
18, 19, 20. 1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
2. Head tilt, chin lift. Use the mask. Seal. Okay. Okay. Ilang beses to ulit-ulitin?
30.
5 cycles.
5 cycles.
5 times.
5 times.
5 na. Head tilt. Sige, ano? CPR, continue pang 5th na.
1,
Support the head lagi.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5. Check that.
Check for life.
Check for that.
Head tilt, chin lift, carotid pulse, breaker pulse, carotid pulse, chin lift. And, okay, lip strips ka na. Ganun ba? Head, hindi, tama yun. Yung tenga mo, yun. Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Positive pulse, positive breathing.
Perform?
Recovery position.
Okay.
Sa baby neutral lang.
No, sa adult, for the count of 3, I'm gonna, the patient will gonna move to my side.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Check for fractures, Jane. Check po yung baby, kung clear ang baby.
Clear, baby is clear.
Okay.
Adult is clear.
And baby, wala. Nabantay na naman ng baby, an adult. Put back in the flat position.
And then, the recovery.
Count. Ano na?
1,
Breathing.
Hindi ka ba ka nagsisipar? Hindi mo alam kung ano nangyari kay baby. Check for life. Head to, chin lift, carotid pulse, breaker pulse, and count.
1, 2,
Hey. Count. Breaker pulse. Ay, nasaan na yung breaker pulse? Nasaan na yung radial? Ano ba tawag? Carotid. Look, okay. Up. Head tilt, chin lift. Baba, ang baba.
3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Ano na? Negative pulse, negative breathing, perform CPR. At dumating ang AED. Turn on the AED. Turn on the AED. Attach the pads.
touch the pad from chest to back.
Here's
Okay, upper pack. And then down, lower. Okay. Next is analyzing. Don't touch the patient.
clear.
Don't touch the patient. Shock is advised. Please press the shock button.
Ting.
Stop. Before kayo mag-press the shock button, i-clear mo muna. Are you clear?
Yes, clear.
Please press the shock button.
Shock
Toot.
delivered.
Shock delivered. Continue CPR.
1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Don't touch the patient. Analyzing, analyzing. Positive pulse, positive breathing. Perform recovery position. Okay, perfect. Okay, what can you say about each other?
Each other.
Hindi. What can you say about him?